Guten Abend everyone, myself Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in German language series. Today we have a lecture on phrases on German. So we start with the next slide. This is very important slide for the discussion. Here the first phrase is no, that not the station. So 9 in German, no stands for 9. 9, das ist nicht der Bahnhof. Das ist nicht der Bahnhof. He it air to the left, lengths. It's there to be to the left. Air is dot links. Air is dot links. The restaurant, das Restaurant, das Restaurant. Then is the restaurant there too? Is das Restaurant outdoor? Then it as yes, yeah. Yes, yeah, it's there too. S is outdoor. What there was the. What's that there? Was is does the hotel. Das hotel. That's the hotel. Das is das hotel. Das is das hotel. So we speak together in German. Nein, das ist nicht der Bahnhof. Links. Ist dort links. Das Restaurant. Ist das Restaurant auch dort? Els. Ja. Es ist auch dort. Was da? Was ist das da? Das Hotel. Das ist das Hotel. So this is the way you just practice it. Come to the next slide. Here. Ear. Ear. To the right. Rests. The embassy. The Botschaft. The Botschaft. Is the embassy here to the right? Is the Botschaft ear rest? Is the Botschaft ear rest? She, it, sie, sie. Yes, it's here to the right. Yeah, yeah. Sie is ear rest. Sie is ear rest. Come to the next section. Excuse me, Phariseum. Excuse me, Phariseum. The cafe. Das Cafe. Das Cafe. Excuse me, where is the cafe? Where is the whom? Wo ist das Cafe? Straight ahead. Geradeaus. Straight ahead. Geradeaus. They are straight ahead. Dort. Geradeaus. The bank. The bank. The bank. The bank. Isn't it? Nicht wahr. The bank is there too. Isn't it? The bank is out. Da nicht wahr. So this is the way you just make it. Now just practice in German. Ear rest die Botschaft. Ist die Botschaft ihr rest? Sie. Ja. Sie ist ihr rest. Where is Phariseum? Phariseum. Das Cafe. Das Cafe. Phariseum. Wo ist das Cafe? Geradeaus. Geradeaus. Dort geradeaus. Die Bank. Die Bank. Nicht wahr. Nicht wahr. Nicht wahr. Die Bank is out the nicht wahr. So this is the way you just practice and practice. This is one of the best way of just speaking these German phrases and German words to make sure learning of German vocabulary and practicing that proper pronunciation of these wonderful language words. Thank you very much. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Thank you very much. Guten Nacht.